Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. Adam Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Sarah.
Hello, Sarah. Hello, everyone. It's wonderful to be here today.
It really is. How are you today, Adam?
I'm good, thank you. And most importantly, I'm awake.
Awake? Well, that's a great start.
Yes, I had my coffee, so I'm ready for the day. How about you, Sarah?
I'm great. I'm feeling very happy today. I had a really good morning.
Oh, that's nice. A good morning makes a big difference, doesn't it?
It sure does. And that's our topic for today: daily life and routines.
Ah, daily routines. That's something everyone has.
Yes, we all have a day, morning, afternoon, and night, with things we do again and again.
It's simple, but very interesting.
Exactly. So let's start by talking about our mornings.
Sounds good. Let's go. Good morning, Sarah.
Good morning, Adam. How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. I slept well and had my coffee, so I'm ready for the day.
That's great. A good morning really helps to start the day well.
It does. What time did you wake up?
Around 6. I like quiet mornings when everything is still.
Wow, early. I'm not a morning person. When my alarm rings, I always press the snooze button.
Oh no, I stopped doing that. I use soft music as my alarm now.
Soft music? That sounds peaceful. Mine just goes beep, beep, beep.
That's terrible. You should try a gentle tune instead.
Maybe I will. Do you check your phone first thing in the morning?
No, I don't. I like to start my day with a cup of coffee and some quiet time.
I usually check my phone for messages and news.
You should try sitting by the window for a few minutes instead. It feels very calm.
I'll try that tomorrow. How do you like your coffee?
I like mine with hot milk. It's warm and cozy. You?
Strong and black. No milk, no sugar, just pure coffee.
Oh, that sounds strong. What about breakfast?
Toast with butter. Sometimes a banana if I'm late.
I like yogurt with fruit, or sometimes I make eggs.
You make eggs in the morning? You wake up so early.
Yes, I like to take my time in the morning.
I usually rush. I'm always 5 minutes late.
After breakfast, do you take a shower?
Of course. A hot shower wakes me up.
Me too. I love long, warm showers.
Then comes the hardest part, choosing clothes.
Oh, yes. Every morning I stand in front of my closet and say, I have nothing to wear.
Me too. But I made it simple. I only have blue, white, and gray shirts.
That's smart. No thinking in the morning.
Exactly. Thinking is for later.
After getting ready, how do you go to work?
I take the bus. It's crowded, but I listen to music or a podcast.
That's nice. I drive my car, but the traffic is terrible.
Ugh, I hate traffic. Stop, go. Stop, go. It's so boring.
I know. I listen to loud music to make it better.
That helps. What's your workday like?
It's busy but fun. I talk with people, help with projects, and drink coffee again.
More coffee? I do the same. Coffee, emails, meetings, and more emails.
Emails never end.
Never. What about lunch?
I bring my lunch from home, usually a salad or sandwich.
That's healthy. I usually buy lunch at a small cafe near my office.
Is it good?
Yes, delicious. And I walk for 10 minutes to get there. It feels good to move after sitting.
I agree. A short walk makes a big difference.
After lunch, I get sleepy. Around 3 p.m., I want a nap.
Me too. I drink green tea and eat a small snack, like an apple.
I eat a cookie.
A cookie is good too.
At 5 p.m., work ends. Best moment of the day.
I know. I drive home while singing in the car.
I take the bus home again, just looking out the window, tired but happy.
When you get home, what's the first thing you do?
I put down my bag and say hello to my cat, Bella.
Oh, you have a cat.
Yes, she looks at me like, "Where's my food?"
Cats are the boss.
Totally. What about you?
I have a dog named Max. He jumps around when I open the door.
That's sweet. I think dogs show more excitement than cats.
Yes, Max always makes me smile.
After saying hello, what do you do next?
I change my clothes. I love wearing comfortable clothes at home.
Me too. I take off my work shirt and put on a t-shirt. It feels so good.
Then I start making dinner. Do you cook, Adam?
I try, but I am a terrible cook. I've burned rice before.
How can you burn rice?
I don't know. I forgot it.
That's funny.
I usually cook pasta or order pizza.
Pizza is always good. I like cooking soups and pasta too.
That sounds nice. You must be a good cook.
Not really. I just enjoy it. I listen to music while cooking.
That makes it more fun.
After dinner, it's around 7 p.m., what do you usually do?
I clean the kitchen, then relax on my sofa with Bella.
That sounds cozy. I like to walk Max after dinner.
Night walks must be peaceful.
Yes, the street is quiet and I can see the stars.
My cat doesn't like walks. She prefers the sofa.
Of course, she's a cat.
After your walk, do you watch TV?
Sometimes I read instead. What about you?
I watch comedies. I need to laugh after a long day.
That's a great way to relax.
When do you go to bed?
Around 10, I read a few pages of a book, then sleep.
I go to bed late, maybe midnight.
Midnight. No wonder you press snooze.
I know. It's a bad habit.
Well, everyone's routine is different.
True. Some are morning people, like you. Others are night owls, like me.
We both survive the day in our own ways.
Exactly.
So, Adam, let's talk about small routines, those little moments that make our day better.
Good idea. I like small rituals. For example, I make my bed right after I get up.
That's a great habit. It makes the room look clean and organized.
What about you?
I always open the window and let in fresh air. I love feeling the morning breeze.
That sounds refreshing. I also pack my bag the night before to save time.
Smart. I prepare my outfit the night before. It saves me 10 minutes in the morning.
Do you plan your meals too?
Sometimes, on Sundays, I prepare vegetables and soups for the week.
I should try that. I waste time deciding what to cook every night.
Small planning saves big stress.
Definitely. What about your workday routine?
I check my emails only 3 times a day. Otherwise, I'd never finish my tasks.
That's clever. I get distracted by notifications all the time.
Try turning them off. It really helps.
I'll do that. How do you handle stress during the day?
I take deep breaths or step outside for 5 minutes.
I listen to music or stretch my legs. It helps me refocus.
Good strategy. Do you drink enough water?
Honestly, not really.
Keep a bottle at your desk. Hydration is important.
You're right. I'll make that my new habit. How do you keep learning new things in your daily routine?
I listen to podcasts while cooking or cleaning.
I read short articles in the evening before bed.
That's a nice idea. Continuous learning keeps the mind sharp.
Exactly. What about hobbies?
I play guitar 3 times a week. It helps me relax.
That's cool. I paint sometimes, just for fun.
I'd love to see your paintings one day.
Maybe. They're simple, but colorful.
That's the best kind. Do you plan your weekends differently from weekdays?
Yes, weekends are for rest and fun. I meet friends or go to new cafes.
I use weekends for cleaning, reading, and longer walks.
Balance is important. Rest and a little productivity.
Totally agree. What about technology? Do you have screen-free time?
Yes, Saturday mornings are no screen time. Just tea, a book, and quiet.
That's wonderful. I'll try that too. I spend too much time on my phone.
Everyone does, but a few quiet hours make a big difference. How do you keep relationships strong in your busy life?
I send short messages to friends or plan small meetups.
I call my family every Sunday. It's my little tradition.
That's lovely. Family time is important. Do you ever volunteer?
Sometimes I help at the local library once a month.
I join community cleanups in my area when I can.
That's great. Giving back feels good, doesn't it?
Absolutely. Small acts of kindness make life better.
Agreed. How do you stay positive during busy weeks?
I write 3 things I'm grateful for each night.
I do the same. Gratitude changes everything.
It really does. Do you reward yourself after a long week?
Yes, I cook a special dinner or buy a small dessert.
I buy myself good coffee or go for a bike ride.
Simple joys make big happiness.
They do. What's one small change you want to make this week?
I want to drink more water and sleep earlier.
I'll try waking up earlier and no phone before bed.
Good plan. Let's see who succeeds first.
Deal.
We've talked about our whole day now, from morning coffee to bedtime.
Yes, and it's fun to see how routines make life smoother.
Exactly. The little things really matter.
I agree, Sarah.
thanks for the great talk.
Thank you, Adam. Thank you so much for joining today's lesson, and it was great to see you. Stay healthy and keep practicing.
If you find this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next English lessons. Your support means a lot to us and helps us to be more motivated to create more interesting and useful content, helping you speak English naturally and confidently every day. Thank you again, and see you in the next video.
We will be back soon with another interesting episode. Bye!